The IELTS writing test is a crucial step for anyone looking to study or work abroad. It assesses your ability to communicate effectively in English, which is essential in today's globalized world. Scoring well can open doors to top universities and enhance job prospects. In Task 1, you'll describe visual information, like graphs or charts. This tests your analytical skills and ability to convey complex data clearly. Task 2, on the other hand, requires you to present an argument or opinion. Here, coherence and structure are key. Your ideas must flow logically. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. Your local public library wants to make improvements to their services and facilities. In order to get ideas from the public, they have asked library users to send them suggestions in writing. Write a letter to the librarian. In your letter, describe what you like about the library, say what you don't like, and make suggestions for improvements. Write at least 150 words. You do not need to write any addresses. Begin your letter as follows: Dear Sir or Madam. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. In Britain, when someone gets old, they often go to live in a home with other old people where there are nurses to look after them. Sometimes the government has to pay for this care. Who do you think should pay for this care, the government or the family? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. Shopping is becoming more and more popular as a leisure activity. However, some people feel that this has both positive and negative effects. Why is shopping so popular? What effects does its increase in popularity have on individuals and on society? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Mastering these tasks not only boosts your writing skills but also enhances your critical thinking and organization. A strong performance can open doors to universities and jobs in English-speaking countries, making it a key step in your journey. So, invest time in practicing different writing styles, expand your vocabulary, and familiarize yourself with the test format. Remember, every word you write brings you closer to your goals.